Every investor should have a sense for what their normal risk posture should be. It depends on their age, their assets, their income, the relationship between their income and their needs, the number of dependents they have, what their aspirations are, how much they can tolerate risk, what is their intestinal fortitude. From 0, which is no risk, to 100, which is complete risk, I think that everybody should have a sense for what's right for them. And that would help them define their normal stance in terms of aggressiveness and defensive. What is the right balance for you? People come to me for financial advice. I say, which is more important to you, keeping what you have or making more? And they say both. You can't do both with equal emphasis. Every attempt to make more introduces the possibility of not having any more of what you have today. So you have to decide the balance between aggressiveness and defensiveness. And then if you're really bold, you can think about varying it over time as the circumstances require.